You're almost finished with construction and you hire an inspector to come take a look at the house to make sure there's nothing major. And lo and behold, there are things that you want fixed. How do you get the builder to fix them and be sure that they're fixed? Hi, this is Michael Street, and we are doing these home inspections on brand new homes. And yep, we find things, and wanted to just go out and take the extra minute to help you understand how we're getting builders to fix the things. It's really easy. You got to get them on paper on purpose. And I'll take just a few moments, if you've got the time, to listen to this little strategy. It will help you get the builder to fix the items that you're concerned about, help you negotiate, and keep you from having multiple inspections that you have to pay for. So here goes. The first thing you do is you print out your report. It may be 20, 30, 40 pages. You present it to the builder at your walkthrough in person if you can. And you get two colored markers, a green marker and a red marker. Now the green marker, you're gonna hand to the builder with the red one, and you're gonna have them write a check mark next to any item that they're going to fix. Then the items that they're not gonna fix, you have them mark a red X, circle it, or a dash, something like that to indicate that they're not gonna fix the item. So that when you scan this document in and send it to them in an email, send the email to everybody you can think about, your spouse, the builder manager, the VP of sales, whoever, it creates a paper trail so that the builder now has agreed to fix certain things and not to fix certain things. So the things that they have agreed to fix that are in green, you want to agree either in that email or on paper on purpose. Usually folks put it in the email, how they're going to prove that the things have been fixed with a picture they're going to provide or what have you, and by what time. That way you can make sure to have it fixed before you close on the house. Because once they have your final payment, usually your warranty repairs get pushed over to another third party, and maybe not even part of the same company. It's very difficult to have the repairs done. The items that are red are just as important, the items they're not going to fix, because you'll want to have a paper trail, a record of the things that they're not going to fix and the reason they're not going to fix it. So right there on the paper, you should have on the inspection report, red X or dash or something, you're going to have them write the reason why they're not going to fix it, and then put their initials right there so that now you have a document that says this is why we didn't fix it and here's the reason. Now you're only going to be negotiating over the red items that they're saying they're not going to fix, and usually it cuts the list in half, and usually by my experience there's 20 items left over that still they're not going to fix. And so a lot of times you can just say, okay, I see the 20, but now I want 5 of those. I need these 5. And so it's much easier to just say, okay, have this negotiation where they'll fill 5 of them out and finish them. So in either case, you just haven't put it in writing. The other reason is because when we don't have something in writing like this, we would come back and do 3 and 4 inspections on the same house and nothing be repaired. And it was great for us financially, but for the buyers, just like yourself, it was just terrible. So much cost and so little being done. It just creates a tense situation for everybody. So in this case, we've done a lot less repair inspections and a lot more success for the client, buyer clients like you. The other thing is you can always ask, in the event that you do want us to come back, you can present us with the report with the green check marks, and the inspection's about the same price, but a lot of times the builder will pay for it. You just have to ask. So I hope this has helped you. I know it's a lot of information, but you can just run it back, slow it down, whatever you've got to do. And if you have particular questions, you give us a call at the office and we'll be happy to walk you through it again. Michael Street, Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to save you money. And I hope this video has helped you. Bye-bye for now.